5 years ago this Monday, Bay Area residents in 6 counties were required to stay at home due to the surging virus. Everybody knows is COVID-19. We knew little about the virus back then, how deadly it could be, and how long it would be around.
Decisions fell to our public health leaders. At one point, you had one who was really at the forefront, Santa Clara County Public Health Officer, Dr. Sara Cody. Tonight, KRON 4's Dan Kerman speaks to her about COVID and her recent decision to retire.
We must take more actions to slow the spread of disease and to protect the public.
Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, Santa Clara County Public Health Officer Dr. Sara Cody has been a familiar face in the spotlight, making those hard decisions to keep people safe.
Back then, we didn't even have that much information about how the virus behaved. And we had almost no tests to be able to document what was going on. So it's difficult to look back 5 years and realize how little we knew.
Cody was the first in the Bay Area to declare a local public health emergency in Santa Clara County in February of 2020, and also the first in the state to announce a halt to mass gatherings. She did this a week before 5 other Bay Area counties joined with Santa Clara County to issue a stay-at-home order.
We took those early actions because we were seeing COVID earlier than other jurisdictions. We had the first travel-associated case, I think, in the Bay Area, and it was, of a handful in the country and in the state. That was the end of January. So we had to get ready earlier than other jurisdictions.
Now, after more than a decade on the job, Cody is set to retire next month.
I love the county. I love the department. It's very much a part of me. And sometimes, in your heart, it's just time to transition to something new.
Dr. Cody has nothing but praise for the community and her colleagues and says she leaves Santa Clara County in good hands. But she worries about the future due to decisions now being made by the new administration in Washington.
If the United States is cutting ties with the World Health Organization, that's very significant because what might be emerging in one corner of the globe, the next place you're going to see it is right here in Santa Clara County. We know this. We've seen it. This is what I've seen in my career again and again and again and again.
Cody says those decisions don't jibe with one of the key lessons learned from COVID-19, the need to have robust monitoring systems.
We're global citizens, even here locally. So those decisions made at other levels of government have an impact on us locally. And of course, we'll do everything we can to prepare, but it's going to mean more resources responding to something because it wasn't prevented or detected early in the first place.
As for what's next for Cody, no decision at this point, but after some relaxation and reflection, she'll be ready to begin her next act. Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.